Welcome back. Let's do a problem on this graph where velocity on the y-axis, time is on the x-axis, and this graph which you have seen previously. So what we have to find here is the acceleration. Acceleration between 0 to 10 seconds. How much is that? Between 0 to 10 seconds. From 0 to 10 seconds, that is 10 seconds, the velocity is increasing steadily. So this is a straight line, so the acceleration is constant. The slope of this straight line is the acceleration. So acceleration is equal to slope of velocity time graph at any point. So at some point you want to find the acceleration, then you have to find the slope. Here between 0 and 5 meters per second, the time taken is 10 seconds. So what is the slope of any straight line? Raise over the run. So the raise is 5 meters per second and time run is 10 seconds. So which is equal to 5 over 10, which is equal to 1/2 meter per second square. This is the acceleration of this particle from 0 to 10 seconds. What about 10 to 20? If someone asks you between 10 and 20 seconds, the same method, raise or the run. So the run is from this point to this point. The raise is from this point to this point. That is from 5 meters per second to 0. So therefore acceleration is equal to 0 minus 5 over 10, which is equal to minus 5 over 10 equal to minus 1/2 meter per second square. This is the acceleration of the particle between 10 and 20 seconds. What about between 20 and 30 seconds? So that acceleration between 20 and 30, we will write like this for time being, for understanding purpose. So which will be, again, raise over the run. Raise is from 20 to, from 0 to minus 5. This is minus 5, sorry. 0 to minus 5 is a raise. So minus 5 minus 0 over time is from 30 to 20. 30 minus 20. Which will give minus 5 over 10. Which is equal to minus 1/2 meter per second square. Naturally, these two are same because the same straight line continues. And what is the acceleration between 30 seconds and 40 seconds? The acceleration between 30 and 40 will just denote like this, which is equal to raise over the run. So the raise is from minus 5 to 0. So 0 minus of minus 5 over the time taken between 40 and 30. 40 minus 30, which gives you 5 over 10, equal to 1/2 meter per second square. So this is how you find the acceleration of the particle at different instants of time. If it's a straight line, it's simple. Find the slope of the straight line in velocity time graph, not in every graph. Only velocity time graph, acceleration is given by this method. We'll meet with another problem in the next class.